Right, very quickly on this morning. Firstly, because it's cold out here. Secondly, because it's going to rain any second. And thirdly, because the neighbours are looking out the window thinking, who's that bloke in the garden talking to himself again? Right, pigging systems and energy. If you work for a company that processes liquids and you want to save energy, and who doesn't, particularly if you're doing hot flushes or long flushes or CIP cycles, pigging systems make the whole changeover process a lot quicker, as well as the flush cycles, particularly if you're doing hot flushes, because you don't have to heat the water for so long, you don't have to run the pumps for so long. So you're saving energy because there's less product to remove, so everything's a lot quicker. Will the energy savings from pigging alone give you an ROI? Yes, but over a very long time. However, combined with all the other benefits of pigging, such as increased yields, waste reduction, less waste transport costs, increased environmental sustainability, increased capacity, etc., etc. Typically, our clients get ROI from a pigging system within 12 months. If you want to find out more, if you work for a company that processes liquids and you're looking at saving energy and all the other stuff I've mentioned, let me know what industry you're working in. Put something in the comments or put something, or send me a LinkedIn message, and I'll get a free white paper over to you, no obligation. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. I can go in now, it's bloody freezing. Cheers.